Today, I'll show you how to create sales reports in HubSpot, a crucial skill for anyone looking to gain insights into their sales performance and make data driven decisions. HubSpot offers a powerful tool to help you compile and analyze your sales data, and crafting a custom report is a straightforward process once you know your way around. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to get started by navigating to the report creation section in HubSpot. You'll do this by clicking on Create Report and selecting Custom Report Builder. This is where you can tailor your report to fit the specific needs of your business, focusing on the metrics that matter most to you. Next, it's time to select your data sources. In this step, you have the option to choose either deals or sales as your primary data source. This selection is pivotal as it determines what kind of sales information you'll be analyzing. If you're curious about the role communications play in sealing deals, you can toggle on activities. This feature allows you to see how many emails it took to close a deal, providing valuable insights into your sales processes. Now let's move on to configuring your chart, which is where the visualization of your data comes to life. First, focus on setting up the x-axis. You'll want to drag in close date and set its frequency to monthly. This allows you to track when deals are closed over time, giving you a clear monthly overview of your sales activity. After configuring the x-axis, turn your attention to the y-axis. Here, you should drag in amount and set its aggregation to sum. This step ensures that your report will display the total sales amount, providing a comprehensive picture of your revenue over the selected time period. Finally, add a breakdown to your chart to gain deeper insights. You can do this by dragging in pipeline. This element is essential for understanding which sales pipelines are performing well and which might need more attention. By breaking down your data by pipeline, you can pinpoint where your sales processes are thriving and where they could use some improvement. And there you have it. You've just created a custom sales report in HubSpot tailored to your business's unique needs. Remember, the power of HubSpot's reporting lies in its flexibility and the ability to customize reports that meet your specific business goals. By regularly analyzing these reports, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions and drive your business forward. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you feel more confident in creating insightful sales reports in HubSpot. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher, and don't hesitate to explore other reporting features HubSpot offers. Happy reporting!